In this brief video, we're looking at angle pairs formed by a transversal. Now, what is a transversal? A transversal is simply one line that intersects two or more other lines. And so in this case, line T would be a transversal. Okay, and these are my other two lines here. And there are angle pairs formed by this transversal. We have alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, same side interior, or same side, or consecutive angles. And so depending on where the angles are located, we could name their angle pairs. So alternate interior angles are angles on the interior or the inside of the two lines that the transversal intersects. And so all of these angles would be, or these four angles would be on the interior. The alternate interior would be 3 and 6, and 4 and 5. So alternate interior inside the two lines here on opposite sides of a transversal. Next, we have alternate exterior. So when you're looking at the exterior, you're looking at the four angles or the angles on the outside of your two lines. And so that would be angles 1, 2, 7, and 8. And so alternate exterior would be on the opposite sides of the transversal. So 1 and 8 and 2 and 7. Okay. Now we have corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are in the same position on the transversal and on their respective lines. And so this is our transversal. And so angles 1 and 5 would be a pair of corresponding angles because they're both on the upper left of their respective lines. And so they're both on the right side. No, left side. They're both on the left side, right? And then they're on the upper portion of each line. So 1 and 5 and 2 and 6. All right, upper right, lower left, 3 and 7. So 6, 3 and 7, and 4 and 8. All right, so corresponding angles are in the same position on their respective lines. And last, we have same side interior, or sometimes you may hear the expression consecutive. So same side interior or consecutive interior angles are another pair. And so consecutive, they're on the same side. Interior, so on the inside of our lines here, and they're on the same side. So angles 3 and 5. And angles 4 and 6. And I actually forgot one pair. If you have consecutive interior, you have consecutive exterior. So consecutive or same side, exterior. Okay, so same side or consecutive, exterior. So not the interior, the exterior. It would be on the outside of our lines here. So 1 and 7. And 2 and 8. All right, so we've gone through each type of angle pair and learned how to label our angle pairs here formed by a transversal.